We're going to talk about some of the Defender. We talk about Defender logging capabilities. So let's really start from there.
And then you can set up, alert rules. You can find any things going on security-wise in your infrastructure using these platforms. So, but besides that, it could also be operation-wise. For example, show me all machines that has not been restarted for more than 50 days, or show me what members are in the local admin groups on all my Windows servers and stuff like that. And then I can use this data to detect any deviations from my desired state or desired configuration. And that allows me to, make dashboards, make, alertings if something deviates from my desired state. So that is one of the things that I have built. I've also published some of it out to the public so that people can download, for example, the tool that I create called Client Inspector, where you can use it on your client infrastructure. And I have a similar one for my all servers. And all my customers are running this. I'm really happy about it. And then you get so great data out of it. And the cost for it is pretty low, but the value of it is, really great. And that's just, part of this whole security stack where you are getting all the, the Azure security systems up and running. And like Defender for Cloud is an example. And you get Azure Monitor Agent, and you get all these different technologies up and running, and you bring them all into the Sentinel platform. Besides that, you also have the whole Defender stack where you can, enable those technologies like Defender for Identity, Defender for Office 365, Defender for Endpoint, and Defender for Cloud Apps, and all these different great products. So the overall security stack from Microsoft, I'm really a fan of it, and I love what you can do.
Tell us why something is better with 365 Defender without 365 Defender, because in Sentinel, you can collect the data from data connectors. So where does it fit into that?
Yeah.
If you can help understand.
Yeah, I think it's a very good question. And the way that I tell about this, basically you have some pillars inside the Microsoft organization where you have the whole M365 organization or teams. You can think of it. You have the Azure teams, and you have various teams inside the whole organization. And all of them, when it comes to security, are working on, building better, products within the whole security stack. And I see that you have a huge Defender stack and you have a huge Azure stack. And you can bring these data into the Sentinel platform, or you can use some of it, as a product. For example, if you want to do endpoint protection, you don't necessarily need to have the Sentinel platform up and running. If you are not having a huge cloud footprint, you can come very far with the security porting with the whole Defender stack. But you can also bring these data into this Sentinel platform as a connector, where all of the alerts, all of the loggings are streamed into the Sentinel platform, which means that when all these alert rules are looking for threats in your data, it can detect this data from these various sources and allow what you can detect